In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom shapes in drawio. We'll start right in your browser. Open draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, and create a new blank diagram so you have a clean canvas to work with. If you're prompted to choose a storage location, pick whichever you prefer. Once the editor loads, you're ready to build. To create true custom shapes from scratch, open the Edit Shape dialog. You'll find it under the top menu by choosing Arrange, then Insert, then Shape. This dialog is the powerhouse for advanced customization. Here you can define the geometry of a shape, add precise connection points, and control styles using XML. If you need exact anchor positions for connectors or want to build a parametric component, this is where it happens. Take a moment to look over the structure. There's a code area and a preview so you can test small changes and immediately see the result. Keep your edits incremental and use comments in the XML to stay organized. If you prefer a visual approach, you can also assemble custom shapes directly on the canvas using the basic toolbar. Draw rectangles, ellipses, lines, and triangles, then combine and align them to form your component. Adjust fill colors, borders, shadows, and text until it looks exactly right. Zoom in for precision and use the alignment guides to keep everything tidy. Once your shape is built from multiple pieces, select all the components, right-click, and choose Group. Grouping turns separate objects into a single, easy-to-move unit, so you can resize and rotate it without knocking parts out of place. It also helps keep your diagram clean and consistent. To reuse your new component in future diagrams, drag the grouped object into the scratch pad on the left panel. That instantly creates a reusable stencil you can drop into any page of your current diagram. The next time you need the same part, just drag it in again and it will keep the original styling. You're not limited to what you draw yourself. If you already have artwork, you can import SVG files for crisp, scalable shapes or bring in raster images like PNG and JPEG. This is a great way to standardize icons or logos across your diagrams. Finally, for quick sketches or unique outlines, go to Arrange, then Insert, then Freehand. Draw with your mouse or a pen to create custom paths on the fly. It's perfect for highlighting areas or mocking up organic shapes before refining them. That's it. You've seen how to build shapes with XML, assemble them visually, group for consistency, save to your scratch pad, import assets, and sketch with freehand. Try these methods on your next diagram and remember to save your work as you go. Thanks for watching.